Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, in today's video, as you can see, I'm going to talk about this hair first. That I got my hair done by not a hair salon, but someone that I wish tell you later in the video. I mean, at the beginning of the video, and I will just go ahead and start the video. So I got these lemonade braids, as you can see. So this is the lemonade braid that I got from her name on Instagram is Steph Odia, and she is specialized in braid, like she's a braiding professional. The hair, I got my hair done in 4 hours, and I use this type of hair, which is 100 Kanekalon braids with the shake and go, the K shake and go. The value 6 packs, so I use the whole a whole big pack of six packs of braids for the price of one. This was like $15 plus taxes, and I used like 3 more bundle of hair. So she used all of the hair except there was still left 1 bundle left. So I thought that she would be like using one pack of hair, or even like three bundle of hair, but she used all. Like I only got, but I'm happy I only got 1 bottle left. She told me that the hair is not good compared to the expression hair. She recommended to use that, but I didn't check out her website. So, but she still made it work. You see how beautiful it is. And if I wanted if I done it myself, you know, it would take me so much longer. Like it would take me like probably 12 hours. I'm just joking, because you know how you see how she cornrow my hair really nicely, and she did blow dry my hair for the first time ever. I blow dry my hair, and I think, like, you know, for the hairstyle to work. But I did stretch my hair beforehand, before she blow dry it, like for 5 minutes, and then we started the braids. I hope I don't get any heat damage, you know, but I don't think so. My hair is stronger. What the fuck? What do you mean? So yeah, if I had done it myself, I would try eventually one day to do, like, you know, straight cornrows, straight to the back cornrows, fitting braid. But for fitting braid, I have to practice a lot, because my grip game is not that like good. I need to practice a lot, but I don't have time for it like just yet. So I need to make another, you know, another time. And yeah, 4 hours. Her name is, I will just put the screen of her Instagram, Steph Odia. If you live in Montreal, Canada, Montreal, go check her out and you can get your braids done. The price, I paid $120 Canadian dollars for this hairstyle, because it was the small one. She can get the bigger one, like, you know, a little bit bigger, will be like $800, but I wanted the smaller one because some people say that smaller lasts longer than the bigger one. So, you know, I will just keep it for like 1 month. Yeah, that's it. The problem with that is that it's like one side of the, you know, it's one-sided braid type of thing. So when you sleep, it's really hard to sleep. But I would make a video about that, how I maintain the hair and how I sleep at night. And yeah, now up to the hairstyle. We're going to do some hairstyle. You know, you don't have much option with this this type of hair, one style hair, but I will make it work. At least like 3 to 4 hairstyle. We will see. Like, let's go. If you like the video, please like the video, share with your friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel on the road to 1000 subscribers, and help your girl out, you know. And yeah, like the video. Bye guys.